So good day po sa lahat. Pag-usapan po natin ito ngayon is yung dosing automation process. So dito po sa automation na to is kailangan natin ng 4 na relay and then 4 na timer. So ganito po yung process. Ito po is yung additive tank. Ito yung mixing tank. So itong additive na to is i-dosage natin dito na kailangan is meron siyang interval. So hindi kailangan tuloy-tuloy. And then kailangan din hindi, kasi ito is itong mixing tank na to is mainit. May moisture to, may evaporation. So yung evaporation is kailangan hindi makapunta dito sa additive tank kasi ito is powder. So, kailangan na ginamitan natin ng dalawang pneumatic cylinder valve na normally close. Normally close to, dalawa, and then dalawang solenoid. So, yung process nito is pag i-on natin yung control, on, yung first valve na to is mag-o-open yan. Pag na-energize, open. After 3 seconds approximately, mamatay siya o off siya and then di babalik siya sa close. So yung powder is pumunta na dito sa dosage cylinder. So kailangan maintain na ganito lang palagi yung may mix dito every cycle time na isiset natin. So after nun, after interval time para sa timer 2, ito na valve number 2 is may energize, so open yan. Pag open, babagsak dito yung additive. So walang makakapuntang moisture dito kasi sarado tong valve number 1. Then after time, i-off niya ulit, hindi ko close, so babalik na naman sa interval. So ito na naman ang mag-energize ang cylinder valve number 1. So pabalik-balik niya lang yung cycle. So ito yung automation. So ito yung ladder diagram. So when you press natin yung start, press start, energize yung R1 and then T1. Ito yung closing contact ng T1, energize. After certain time na set natin, sample 3 second, mag-change over yung on delay na auxiliary na switch na relay. So after 3 seconds ko close to, pag close to, energize ang R2 and then T2. So i-open niya to, patay itong dalawa. So patay itong isang, close yung isang valve number 1. So ito is ito yung magiging interval. So mag-i-interval tayo ng 5 second. After 5 second, yung R3 yung may energize kasi ko close to. On delay. After 5 second approximately or 3 second, yung R4 naman yung may energize for interval and then babalik na naman yung cycle sa R1 and then T1. So open, close, interval, open, close, interval. So yun yung process. Ito is rotary switch para i-on yung system. And then ito yung disconnect. So okay.